Hi guys, so thank you so much for tuning back in for another video. Today, it has been a long time guys, but we are back with a cooking video. I figured that I will just kind of let you guys watch as I make this nice, quick, simple weeknight. If you have to work and need to come home, make something really quick for the kids, this is like one of the perfect dishes to make. Or if you're looking for something on a nice Saturday to fix for the family that they'd enjoy, this is also one of those type of meals. So here we are making a pizza casserole. So I'm just going to let you guys kind of watch as I make this. It's really simple. I'm showing you the ingredients as we go, so I don't think I need to repeat them to you. So I'm just going to kind of let you watch along as we make a pizza casserole together. So grab your ingredients and let's get started. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.